Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. I'm not going to take too much of your time today and quickly go over what the indicators are currently saying for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So 15-minute DMT is getting not too far away from the buy line. So we'll wait with bated breath to see what happens there. You can see the 15-minute Dominator has gone to a sell now. And that's not fed through to the 20 or 25 minute yet. 25 minute being the main one that we do follow. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Ethereum 15 minute DMT still hanging around about 125. So Ethereum not looking quite as strong as Bitcoin. And then the 25 minute Dominator not looking too far away from another sell signal. So we'll see what happens with these cryptos. Like I've told you guys, I've been keeping a close eye on stocks, stock markets, mainly the S&P, because we do seem to be moving relatively in tandem, in the same direction anyway. So when the S&P goes up, we go up, and the S&P goes down, we go down. I've definitely noticed that even more so today. Albeit we are a good few $100 higher than where we were yesterday when the S&P was at basically the same levels. So that could be a bearish sign. I mean, if the S&P goes back below 2,400, maybe we retrace down to the same level we were before, and then some extra. We'll have to see. Bitcoin is looking basically like a rising wedge, is what I want to say. I was just having a look at it and see if I can try and make out an ascending triangle, but it is a lot easier to get a rising wedge out of this. So I mean, I'll draw it on quickly for you guys. I mean, you guys know what a rising wedge is. Not sure where to draw that bit. But yes, you can see we still got room to maneuver in here. We could definitely see a push up to around 5,600 level before maybe dropping out of the wedge down to mid 4,000s. But it remains to be seen what happens. Obviously, we've got a lot of horizontal resistance here, as you can see from the most recent of price action. Obviously, there's not a lot of price action recently around this area. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. I've still been working my short positions on the rallies. So I'm currently short just under 5,400. So as you can see, we're pumping up. I've only taken one short scalp today actually. I took quite a few yesterday, but only one so far, and then I'm still working this one here. But yeah, so that's all I've got for you guys today. So remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll be back at you with another video tomorrow. For any of you guys that are interested, I did a video on deflation and Ben Bernanke, Helicopter Ben, and what we've got coming for us with the Federal Reserve and their cockamamie plans and schemes for reflating the economy. One of their guys just quit. Anyway. But yeah, so that video is in my playlist if any of you guys are interested. So anyway, yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you soon.